Starting with a neutral colored sofa is one of the most versatile ways to build a room. In this space, we created 2 unique rooms all based around the same Traymore linen sofa. The soft white color and the included pattern pillows create a welcoming feel, and we added the matching Traymore accent chair for extra seating. The matching coffee and end tables bring a farmhouse look to the room, and we finished the space with rustic accessories, wall art, and lamps to tie the room together. In the second space, we created a Southwest modern theme, and this is a perfect example of really having fun and customizing your space. Just because a sofa comes with pillows or has a matching accent chair doesn't mean you have to be tied to it. We've swapped out the pillows to add in some unique colors and textures that work with our space. The swivel accent chair and ottoman bring in a rich color and feel. And we've mirrored that style in our rug, accessories, and wall art to create a space that's truly unique, all with the same sofa. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.